Hi
Hi
guys!
guys, it's me Eudora.
And it's me Demian.
So today we're gonna show you how to make.
Banana or cheese pancake.
Let's get started. The ingredients that we need are
An egg, 3 bananas, 2 tablespoons oatmeal, 3 teaspoon butter, cheese, and honey.
the utensils that we need are
Bowl, spoon and fork, pan, spatula, and knife.
First of all, peel the banana skin and put it into the bowl. Second, mash the bananas using a fork until they are almost smooth. Then, crack an egg and put it into the bowl. After that, add 2 tablespoons oatmeal into the bowl. Next, whisk them to combine so that it will be thick and lumpy butter. Then, close the pancake batter using plastic wrap for 10 minutes to make it fluffy. After that, heat 1 tablespoon butter and put the batter onto the pan and cook until some bubbles appear on the top for 1 until 2 minutes in a low fire. Flip the pancakes and cook until it cooked. Do step 7 and 8 for the rest of the pancake batter. Then, stack the pancakes on the plate. Next, grate the cheese and put it into the top of the pancakes. Cut 1 more banana and put on the top of the pancakes and pour the honey.